Hey guys, Don with Driving Everest here. And let me tell you, I'm tired of marketing gimmicks. You know those ones where they run over your phone with a tank, or maybe they're hitting your door panels with a shovel? You wouldn't do that in real life, would you? Nah, of course not. That would tear your vehicle up. But not with ThinSkinz on. Let's take a look and see how my door held up from those hits with a shovel. This is ThinSkinz, an innovative solution to protect the interior of your Jeep. Now, ThinSkinz is the brainchild of a husband and wife team that had a small dog that rode in the back seat and went on adventures with them, and they wanted a way to protect their OEM door panels from getting scratched up. So that's where they came up with ThinSkinz. This is molded ABS plastic, and if you look here on the back, it's got these felt pads at all the contact points where it's going to make contact with the door. One, it ensures it's super quiet. There is zero rattle at all with this. And two, it makes sure that your doors are only touching the soft side. Now, this is perhaps the easiest installation you will ever see, and it can be done one-handed, just like I pulled it off. So it's going to go, and it goes in right where that normal handle goes. Just push it down. It's got a really satisfying snap in place. It lets you know it's there. And then you just come along the top here and make sure you tuck that in. Go around. Everything should be lined up. It's nice and snug. And then you're all set. So it's in place. My door's protected. And check this out. It leaves the net fully exposed here. So if you're carrying anything down here, you can still get to it. You don't got to give up that extra storage space, which is a premium inside these Jeeps. Cleanup on this thing is a breeze. My dog hair, unlike the back of my seat, does not stick to this panel. And if it gets anything on it, damp rag usually wipes it right off. Now, it doesn't protect just from dogs and gear scratches, but also from kids. So if Capri gets something sticky on this, I might have to take a Clorox wipe and scrub on it a little bit, but it comes off fairly easily. The model that I have is called the access model. The access model means that you have access to the door handle. Whoever's riding in the back seat can let themselves out of the vehicle without any issue. Now, if you're worried about full protection and it's not as important for your kid to get in and out on their own, which trust me, it might be, you don't want to have to do that every time, you can get the Pro model, and that's actually going to cover this door handle completely, so that way it gives you the maximum protection. You're not getting any scratches in here. It's got another option as well. This is going to be the gloss model. You can see it's super shiny. You can see the light reflecting off of it. It's got like a stippled feel and look to it. They have a matte black version of this, and the matte's going to be a little bit smoother, a little bit more muted of a color. So if you're not looking for something as shiny, but it's all right for me. I like shiny. Shiny's good. It reminds me that it's there and that it's doing its job. Now, check this out. So dogs, kids are one thing, but I got a bunch of gear that I'm always just throwing in the truck. We're moving around a lot. So if I've got gear and this is sticking out, I don't want it smashing in to my door panel, so I shut it. It takes the hit. You heard that box. The box is moved. Normally, that's going to leave a mark on your door, but because I had ThinSkinz here, it's protected. Of course, it messed up my dog seat cover, but if we look, there is nothing discernible from where that hit was. Simple installation, simple yet brilliant product, and it protects the interior. Now, if they could just come out with a way to protect the dog nose prints from all over the windows, that would be absolutely perfect. But go ahead, check out thinskinz.com. That's Skinz with a Z. See if they've got your make and model. If not, go to the bottom of their website. They've actually got a link where you can request that they make yours. They've got the Gladiator. I think they've got the JL. I believe they've got the JK. Don't hold me to these. I don't know when you're watching this either. So go check out their website. I got a discount code for you down in the description. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next adventure.